Hello everyone and welcome back to the cabin. Now I know many of you are excited to dive into your first Victorian lampshade project, but I've seen a few of you mention in the comments that you're a little bit nervous because one of the questions I often see is, Susan, is this a fire hazard? So it's a perfectly sensible thing to ask when we're working with velvets and silks and all these lovely fringes, and we want our homes to stay safe as well as stylish. So today I thought I would share my top safety tips with you so you can craft with total confidence. So first and foremost, and this is the big one, always use LED bulbs. I can't stress enough that traditional incandescent bulbs, the old-fashioned ones we always used to use, get very, very hot. But LED bulbs stay nice and cool. This is the single best thing you can do for lampshade safety, and it means that your beautiful fabrics won't get scorched, and it gives you much more peace of mind. Next, let's talk about fire retardant sprays. This is the one I've been using recently. I bought this on Amazon, but you can buy them in many places and follow the instructions that are on the back of the bottle. I would recommend that you don't use them in confined spaces because of the fumes, but follow the instructions on the back. I usually recommend using this on your lining fabric before you assemble it together, and maybe even test it on a small scrap of your outer fabric first to make sure that it doesn't mark. And finally, the cotton binding tape we use to prep our frames, it's not just for sewing. It also acts as a protective barrier between the metal frame and your decorative fabric. It's all these little steps that make a professional and safe result. So, there we go. I hope that takes away some of the fear. Safety is just another part of the skill, and once you've got these basics down, you're free to let your creativity run wild. If you have any other questions, please just pop them in the comments and I'll hopefully get back to you. Remember, safety first. See you next time. Bye.